In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart background colors in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your chart background to a color that suits your eyes, your workspace, and the market conditions you're analyzing, all without disrupting your existing chart setup. First, open Metatrader 5 so you're looking at the platform interface. Make sure a chart window is visible on your screen. This can be any instrument you're working with, currencies, indices, stocks, or commodities. Background color is managed on a chart-by-chart basis, so the chart you see in front of you is the one that will be updated. Next, select the specific chart you want to update. If you have multiple charts open, click the one you want to work on to bring it into focus. It helps to ensure you're clicked directly inside the chart area so the platform knows which chart you're modifying. Now, right-click anywhere on the chart area itself. This opens a context menu with several chart-related options. You don't need to click on a candle or indicator, just the open space on the chart is perfect. From this menu, choose Properties. That will open the Chart Properties window, which is where most visual settings live. If you've never explored this before, don't worry, it's straightforward and safe to adjust. Inside the Properties window, navigate to the Colors tab. This tab lists each visual element of your chart, things like background, foreground, grid lines, and candle colors, so you can customize how your chart looks. We'll focus on the background setting for a clear, readable workspace. Find the background option in the list. It's typically presented as a drop-down or color selector right next to the word background. This is the control that determines the canvas color behind your price bars, indicators, and grid. Choose the color you want for your chart background. As you pick a color, aim for sufficient contrast with your foreground text and candles so price, time, and values remain easy to read. A darker background can reduce glare in low light environments, while a lighter one can feel crisp and bright during daytime sessions. If you rely on grid lines or faint indicator colors, test a shade that keeps those elements visible. Most setups will show you an instant preview in the Properties window so you can judge readability before you proceed. And that's all there is to it. Open Metatrader 5, select your chart, right-click the chart area, choose Properties, go to the Colors tab, select Background, and pick your preferred color. Repeat the same process for any other charts you want to match and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable workspace for your trading.